The fourth industrial revolution begins with Industry 4.0. A new revolution is coming to us since a change in production technology changes every aspect of our lives. Above all, the world is focusing on IoT technologies that connect people and things, or things and things. We can share information by connecting things through network in various areas, including home appliances, electronic devices, healthcare, remote meter reading, and smart home, smart car systems. This technology brings a big change to our lives because it changes production and manufacturing processes in a revolutionary and smart way. That is why we call it Smart Factory. In other words, individual order production can be realized at costs for large productions. Conveyor belt machinery is the main agent to produce parts, that is to say, objects and products with parts, and products are becoming the main agents, and these main agents are turning into a system that goes through production processes themselves, receiving services from the machinery. We, IT Space, will reach the top in smart industrial automation, advancement of intelligence information technologies, and the fourth industrial revolution during an era of the fourth industrial revolution. IT Space offers solutions suitable for different companies, aiming for the safe management of industrial fields and machinery with a revolutionary predictive maintenance system, considering the environment. UYeG, a next-generation smart motor protective relay for the management of energies, automation of motor protection systems, and predictive maintenance of facilities. UYeG performs high-speed analysis on and monitors current, voltage, wattage, ground fault, and short circuit in a motor, and also measures and monitors temperature and humidity inside and outside the panel. The key technologies in UYeG are software technology that collects data of motors and other such industrial equipment, including current, voltage, and wattage, and diagnoses the condition of facilities in real time through collected data, data visualizing technology, and automatic facilities controlling technology. UYeG covers overload and overcurrent protection, open phase protection, inverse image protection, ground fault protection, restraint protection, undercurrent protection, and unbalanced protection. UYeG also hugely improves the productivity of industrial facilities and ultimately prevents unpredicted downtime in advance. UYeG also collects and accumulates data at super high speed in real time to analyze processes of industrial facilities through the interpretation of big data, improves the initial conditions of facilities, and predicts and improves malfunctions and facility life, and helps manufacturing facilities in petroleum, chemicals, automobile, steel, and other such areas, and in aviation, railway, power plant, and such, maintain the best efficiency. Construction of EMS helps reduce annual energy costs, and based upon data, we can take effective actions through systematic energy management, integrated management of multiple sites via web, and greenhouse gas goal management system. IT Space not only has received the top-grade GS certificate, but also has acquired numerous other certificates and won a lot of awards through UYeG. We, IT Space, will continue suggesting the construction of an accurate, perfect system at all times. based upon unstoppable new technology in automatic control, analysis of current and power of production facilities, big data, and predictive maintenance business, and on young mentality, and will return customer support with low cost, high tech.